Welcome back to another video. We just touched down to the job site. It's actually my aunt's house. We actually did a leaf clean out on this property last year. It's always very important, guys, to keep track of all of the jobs you do, especially when it comes to the project jobs. Keep track of the price that you did and also the date that you did it, so you can follow up with those people and say, hey, I see we did this project on this day. Just reaching out to see if we can come out again, or if you need us to do anything. So just keep that in mind, guys. Keep track of all the projects that you do. For this particular job right here, I will be doing a leaf clean out, and I did bring the bobcat and also the catcher. So I'm gonna have Dominique catching this side and also the back while I'm blowing the front. We're blowing the leaves to the front so the city can pick them up, and the leaves in the backyard is gonna be blown to the woods. So it should be pretty easy, man. And when we leave here, got a little gutter clean out job that we got to do. So hope you stick through to the end so you can watch that too. There's way more leaves in the backyard than it is in the front, but like I said, I'll have him catching these back here. He'll be bagging it, so it should be too easy. And let me know in the comments, guys, where you guys are at. Is it warm or is it cold? I'm in North Carolina, but last year this time, guys, it was super cold already. I mean, frost on the ground. We haven't had our first frost yet this fall. So for this late part of November, I'll say it's pretty warm for us. Last year this time, I was face masked up, gloves up, and everything. And I haven't done none of that yet. But you can see the front, man. It's not too bad in the front. And every time I've been cutting it, I've been blowing all the leaves to the center here, so it's not a lot of leaves. So I imagine by the time he finished catching that side and catching the back, I'll be finishing up and helping him push all that to the woods. Just touched down to the second job. Let me know in the comments what you guys charge for gutter cleanouts. If you have a set price, or it just kind of depends on if you scoop them or blow them. But let me know what you guys charge for gutters. It's pretty flat, man. It's not nothing crazy. So we figure we're gonna go up right here, clear this side, and then move over to that top side. Show you what we're working with. Got both blowers up here. Hey, bro, if you blew the deck off, I'm working on this side now. Beautiful. Beautiful. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If this is your first time watching, like, comment, subscribe. And also, I landed this job, guys. I've done some work for this lady multiple times. That's why it's always good to follow up with your people and keep your people close. I say it all the time. If you do good work, they will call you back. So just keep that in mind, man. Just do your best on every job and follow up with your people. Hope you guys enjoy it.